Consider a rectangular array that's 4 by 8. Consider a rectangle that has a width of 4, whatever, and a length of 8. Now, just for fun on this one, I'm going to find the perimeter. But really what we're after on this is probably area for this whole activity. So I'm going to find the perimeter though. Find the perimeter of this rectangle. Well, what does perimeter mean? Add up all the sides, right? The distance around. I like to try to say it like this. I've said it like this for a long time. Like, you pretend your house is on one corner or somewhere in there, and you're walking around the block in the evening for some exercise. It's how far you've walked. So the perimeter, the distance around the outside of the figure. And I can look at this figure and say, well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I start here, I'll put a little X where I start. And I walk 8 units. I make the corner. And then how many am I walking that way? 4. And then make the corner, and I'm walking along here. There's another 8. And then I come back up, and I get to my house for another 4 units. So the perimeter is the distance around the figure. So I could say this, P for perimeter. This is 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. If you add all that up, you'll get what? What number? 24. So 24, if this is feet, miles, I can't imagine walking 24 miles, right? But 24, whatever the units are. Maybe it's something I'm measuring on the floor and it's 24 inches, but whatever it is. I'll just say 24 units. If I let the length be L, let the length be L, and let the width be W, then we can write a formula for perimeter. We can write an expression. I use expression there instead of formula, but if you said formula, that's fine. We can write an expression for the perimeter. And I could say P equals L plus W plus L plus W, because as I walked around the figure, I did the length of L twice, and I did the length of W twice, and I could write that as what? 2 times L plus 2 times W. And that gives me a formula that works for every rectangle. So this gives us a formula that works for the perimeter of every rectangle. And this is formulas used in a generalization. Formulas used in a formula.